in Missouri, and there's seagulls right there. There's a at the shopping center in Branson. There's TJ Maxx, and there's some seagulls right there. Look at that, seagulls in Missouri. There's some seagulls. There they are. I guess they're freshwater seagulls. I don't know. Pretty cool, huh? Oh, look at that. They're right there. Look at the seagull, people. They're seagulls in Missouri. Now they're eating some food. Never seen seagulls in Missouri before. This is the Midwest. We are not by any beaches. There are seagulls right here. It's incredible. First time I've seen seagulls in a while. Pretty cool.